Meat thermometer. Thank you for this, by the way. Rode. So I got this on Amazon. Sponsored. So, but it's really, it's gold. Estelle calls this bougie.
I don't know.
Oh. Anyway, it comes with a little battery. So it's already on, which is awesome. Don't have to worry about the battery. So this is key for like doing chicken. What else can you use this? Fish. Steak. Filet mignon. What else? Well, it's really like or on the barbecue. we had a little barbecue experience the other day.
We should put that video in.
I will put it in right here. It'll be right here.
Mom's first time at barbecuing.
Estelle, Google what to do.
What?
Google what to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you saw in that video, we had some heat going on. But we actually did bring in the chicken, and my husband ate it.
Yeah, it's in the fridge right now.
It's in the fridge. Yeah, we need to eat that up.
It's a little burnt.
But he said all but the black. I'll put his reaction video to the chicken here.
We didn't lose the house. We didn't lose the barbecue. The propane tank didn't explode. I mean, it's really a win. It's really a win.
You still love me?
I do love
And
you.
you're actually eating it.
It's just the black part that's bad. The black part's the only part that you can't eat.
Anyway, awesome little thermometer. Nice to have. I mean, because you don't want to make anyone sick when you're cooking, right? So,
Right.
and what's really nice on the back here, it shows you what temps you need to cook the food to.
Ooh, oh yeah, and for lamb, and for pork,
Yep.
and for turkey.
Turkey and veal.
What's veal?
Veal is what is veal? I think veal is sheep. What's the difference between veal? Oh no, veal is a baby deer. No, I think veal is just I think veal is just deer. No, that's venison.
Yeah, I think
Veal.
it's Bambi.
Veal is either a baby lamb.
No, because lamb is a baby sheep, so it doesn't make any sense. Too hot.
Don't poke people with this.
It's actually
All right.
sharp.
It is sharp. Yeah, this is awesome. All right. What do we say about this one? 2 thumbs up.